Opposing Viewpoints in Context is one of the most versatile databases that we have at Citrus College. It features information about current events and social issues. As you can see from the Featured Issues section, it is updated very frequently and contains all different types of information. There are a couple of ways to search this database. As with other databases, you can enter keywords here. However, you can also click on this little light bulb labeled Browse Issues. That will take you to a list of subject headings that are highlighted in this database. If you don't see your issue on this list, don't worry. All that doesn't mean there isn't any information about it. All that means is that you will have to type your keywords into the search bar above. Let's take a look at one of the issues. When I click on police reform, it takes me to the topic page. I am greeted with an overview of the topic, and as I scroll down, I can see the different types of information available to me. Opposing Viewpoints has lots of different types of sources, which is what makes it so useful. I can look at academic articles, newspapers, magazines. I can look at videos and podcasts all in one place. I can also narrow down my search results by putting keywords into the search within bar. That will allow me to look for more specific topics within this broad subject. When I click on an article, I am once again greeted with a lot of options. I can highlight the article and take notes in it, and this will help me remember what I liked about it. I can print it, I can download it, I can send it to myself, and I even have this handy cite button, which will allow me to view several different citation types. You always want to verify these to make sure they match the format your instructor wants, but they're a great foundation. Opposing Viewpoints in Context is just one of over 50 databases available to you at the Hayden Memorial Library. For more information or to contact a librarian, please visit the library website. Happy researching!